Tired of deleting backgrounds from photos in Photoshop for a long time? Here I'm going to show you how to do everything with just one click in 1 minute. So just forget about using Photoshop for removing background. Here's a much easier way how to do it, and it can also save a lot of time. So just only thing you need is your Google search tool. Okay, so just let's write here the page we'll be using. It's called Remove BG. Click on the first one. And now the only thing you need is a picture. So let's open another Google search tool. And for example, use a picture of a man or of anything. For example, what about this guy? We could use him. So only thing you gotta do is to copy the picture and hit Ctrl V. Now wait a minute, and as you can see, the background is removed and it works pretty good. And the last thing you do is to download that picture and save it into your computer. That's all, you're done. Alright, so if this video helped you, make sure you have a subscription and share this video to your friends. Goodbye.